daughter is just got naked, so she can't be in it. It is fall of fun. Today we are decorating our house for Halloween, so we're gonna give you a Halloween tour. Yeah, this is our spooky setup for Halloween. We didn't add that much, but there are some creepy spiders and creepy roses. And then there's some purple like fairy lights in there that look really cool at night, and they're set on a timer. And then we got these two guys that light up. I was hoping to put these in our front bed, but they are not good. They're not exterior, so they're undercover. Spiders! A spider! They're undercover on our front porch, and that is a fog machine that my husband set up. So when it gets dark, I will show you that. And he also set up creepy cat eyes and Halloween spotlights on our house. You want to show them Lazy Bones? This is Lazy Bones. He used to be in the side of our house, but we took a tree die that we used to hold him up with, and a spotlight up there, and he looks really, really creepy at night. Our fire pit area, I actually did not do much to add for Halloween. I couldn't find any outdoor decorations, and I wanted to get like skeletons, but they were really expensive. It's like the only outdoor decoration I could find were like those blow up things. But what I did do is I added these lanterns, and I used the fake LED candles that I got more from Amazon. And then these are on battery operated and timer, so they come on at night, and it looks really cool, creepy out here. A little bit of Halloween decor. This candle is amazing.
Try this, Mom.
Okay, by Ray Dunn. I went back to get more, and they didn't have any home goods.
Mommy, open up this.
Okay, these I got to put in a glass bowl, and then I couldn't find my glass bowl that I usually use. Lana, we need to paint those. I bought those. Here is my husband did this all by himself. I think it looks so good. See the lady? Now she's scary. Ooh. Oh wait, how do you turn these on? There are lights on here. Ooh.
Do you make these nice?
Not really. Do you like them?
Mm-hmm.
We have Halloween set up in the back room. Some spooky spiders. And then some spooky spider pillows. And then I put up the dark gray velvet curtains. I didn't realize the ghost made that noise. So this is our, what do you call this? The happier fall mantle? The cuter?
That was like the cuter Halloween.
Where's the other white pumpkin? We're missing one.
Oh, I only saw one.
What is this?
Oh, that's like a flashing strobe light.
Flashing strobe light.
I wasn't sure what to do with it, so it didn't go anywhere.
So it's a double-sided fire. The lights that come on at night, and I'll show them to you. And so we have creepy lanterns for the dining room. Trick or treat. This lady keeps on getting stolen by a certain daughter of mine. So these ghosts are getting stolen too. Bar cart. This is actually a candle. Another light for the dining room. That thing which annoys me. Some bloody bourbon. And Daddy's whiskey bourbon. I guess it's whiskey. Creepiness. Spider. Doesn't a spider have a battery thing too that goes off?
His eyes glow.
His eyes light up. Little cat candy tray, which I don't keep full with candy because I would eat it. Home Sweet Haunted Home. That's one of my favorites. And then Phil made this creepy. Creepy! I did some shopping on Amazon. It's a couple days later. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, hey buddy, you're cool. And then asked for a Grim Reaper. They're so tiny. Here's Your Grim Reapers, Landon. Do you like them with chains?
Look.
And the ghost. Oh, your ghost. And they all have posable arms. I feel like these may be...
A ghost? Ooh. Hey.
Hi, Landon. Take me to the front bed. I want to hang out there.
Okay. It's the front bed.
Where the pumpkin is that they ate.
Ow, ow.
The deer
ow.
ate the pumpkin.
Please talk. Let's just talk.
Yeah, move his jaw to talk. Say hello.
Hello.
Like put your finger under his chin. There you go. Hello, I'm a skeleton. Say spooky, spooky skeleton. The last thing we got are bats, which come with a little adhesive. So we could put some on the porch and maybe some inside. Very cool. Sadly, we found this morning, my beautiful pumpkin, which was up there, down here. They tried to nibble away at this guy. And then the mums are not looking good. Someone told me that if you plant them too early, it's not good for them. So maybe I'll do some like cobwebs on them.
How do you do it?
However you want to do it.
That doesn't work.
I'll help you.
Something rotting.
It's gonna rot, yeah. It's gonna get smaller and smaller.
And
Decay.
soon it's gonna grout. And it's gonna be thick. And it's gonna be so brown.
Yep. It's gonna decay, decompose, rot. But how cool does he look? Do you want to give the skeleton a name?
Boxer.
Boxer?
That's his name's Boxer.
Hey, Boxer. Looks cool. Maybe we get some more pumpkins to put in front here, so that the deer can eat them. Wah, wah. So the light is right there for the kitchen, and so I did bats in the kitchen, which looks really cool. And I actually put a couple up in Aunt Alexis's, our guest room, because Aunt Alexis is coming for the weekend.
Yeah.
Look pretty cool, right?
Hey.
And oh, we have a ghost down. I need to put the ghost back up. Do I need new tape? Probably need to go a little higher, but I have a bit of a 3-nager, so we're just gonna leave it there for now. Looks cool. It is nighttime in our spooky decor. Look at the candle. The shadow. Stomp like a T-Rex.